First thing we're going to do is disassemble this firearm. Now I've never done this before, just like all my other videos, and it comes with a pretty easy instruction sheet here. So again, this is the Christie A4 Super Stock. So tools needed, not included. Flathead screwdriver. We're going to remove the barrel band right here and go from there. And once again, I've never done this before, so y'all get to see it for the first time. And by the way, I'm not a gunsmith either, so I really don't know what I'm doing. Just like my reloading videos, I didn't know what I was doing with that either. Alright, so we have that done. Then we unscrew the takedown screw. Don't need to remove it. Now what would a takedown screw look like? 'Cause I'm not sure. I'm assuming this is a takedown screw. Now any of you that decide you're going to comment on this video, be gentle, because at least I got the balls to go and put this out without knowing what the heck I'm doing. So I don't need any comments from you people that are gun snobs telling me what to, what not to, how I could have done it different, because guess what? I'm just doing it, okay? So, now that I've gotten that done, make sure the safety is in the center position before removing the barrel. Okay, we got that there. Set the barrel action and original stock by side. Use a 5/32 Allen key or larger key included and remove the front end cap and swivel from the super stock. So first of all, I got to figure out how to get this out of here. It's loose. And I don't see any other screws in here that I'm going to have to remove. So it's pretty obvious I've got to get this, get the barrel. Ah, there, it just slips right off. Hey, look at that. Learn something new every day. And that's all there is to it. Then the next thing I got to do is remove the front end cap and swivel from the super stock. So the front end cap and the swivel, that would be this right here, and this is the end cap. So they have provided in the kit an Allen key to do so. It's a 5/32 Allen key. I bet you it's the larger one too. So what we're going to do is, you can see right there, at the end of this stock, there's a little key. We're going to take this Allen key, insert it in there, and remove the what they call the front end cap and swivel. So put that in a separate place. And there's the front end cap. There's the top. And we make sure the safety is still in the center position of the barreled stock and the barreled action. Put the rear of the action into the rear of the super stock so the action is at a 45 to 60 degree angle in the stock. Okay, so 45-degree angle in the stock. Meh, that looks about right. Does that look about right to you? 45, 60-degree angle? And then pivot the action forward until it seats in the super stock. Well, just like that. That's pretty simple. And then install the takedown screw from the original. The original takedown screw will not fit secure or correctly. So we have to install the new takedown screw right here, which was provided with the super stock. So that goes in there. And well, look at that, by gum. It's the same Allen key. because apparently they won't fit correctly. Okay, I'm just going to hand tighten that. Replace the hand guard and the front swivel stock. The front swivel and end cap rather. Okay. And that's that. And that goes back in there like that. That was the installation. Not a lot to it. And you saw how quick it happened. Piece of cake. So, I am very happy with this purchase, 100 bucks. This is solid feeling. I mean solid feeling. And also, with it came this foregrip. So I can mount that on the, the bottom Picatinny rail right here. And then I got more of what looks like an AR-15 style weapon. So pretty happy with the purchase.